Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can check your Android version and your One UI or slash whatever other operating system that you use version on your Android phone. It's really easy and I'm going to show you how I can do it. So first of all, what you need to know is that always you're going to find the version of your Android in Note settings, and you're going to scroll down until About Phone, and from About Phone you're going to click on Software Information, okay? And from Software Information you can find all the version, your Android version, your One UI version, and all this stuff. Basically, One UI version is the version that you're running besides Android. Like in Xiaomi, for example, it's called MIUI. Okay, so once you click a couple of times on Android version, you can find a mini game that you can play. It's in all Androids. Each Android version has its unique game. So yeah, and the One UI version, as I said before, it's the same version that or the same other skin that you're using. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.